Back with another mint video. You can see, where's that? Daggum shifter we had it grind off last time. Still useful. Just hack that off and then weld that sucker up. You can see we got it all hooked up. Fresh spray paint job. Let's get to it. Oh! Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut it a little bit. There we go. Alright, I think we're mint. Now we just gotta kind of bend it, you know. That mint bending freaking scales! Ah! Just gotta plunger in there and then just, ooh, we got bend. See that? See that, Daddy? Oh! Almost there. Almost there. Come on, almost there. Almost. Oh boy. Oh god, it's freaking hard. Yeah, power thrust. Oh, alright boys, we're mint. Oh, yeah, bend. Oh yeah, I'm gonna roll Daddy on. As you can, come on, bring the camera. As you can see, we got that perfect notch, you know, perfect shifter right there. Yep. That's right. Ow. I'm gonna try to get underneath it. I'll try to do one more. Alright, frick. And the Daddy on. Take it for a rip. Look at the splatter. God. We'll send this crack.